Hello everyone. In this video, I am actually recording the entire funnel making process of Facebook Fundamentals workshop. I have kept a few things ready, the creatives, the video, and a few scripts, but pretty much making of it will be entirely done here. The raw, whatever the process is, wherever I get stuck or whatever doesn't work, you will be seeing that, pretty much as it is the raw version. So I'm excited for it. Let's see how it goes. So yes, let's get started. Let me share my screen first, and I'm pretty much what to say, nervous, excited, and a lot more things. I don't know how to actually kind of tell you guys how I'm feeling, because I mean, this is the first time I am building something of this sort, where I'm kind of walking around, uh, building the funnel on a video basically I used to build and then share stuff, but not really the entire things in one place. Let's see how it goes. So the basic idea, so let me just discuss what, why, and how things are gonna work. The first idea is to map out the funnel. Think, why am I going to do the workshop, what is the benefit, how it is entire thing is going to work, and decide the flow, and then build one by one, right? So for that, for the first step would be why I am going to do this workshop. That is very important, because I just wanted to share my learning with respect to Facebook ads, my learning with respect to what works, what doesn't work, what people can do. I mean, I've seen a lot of people trying to do Facebook ads and they're getting stuck somewhere or the other. They get overwhelmed with respect to the technical stuff of Facebook ads, the ads manager, or doesn't understand how really Facebook ads is going to work, and they're clueless and they're just trying to come up with some posters, some creative, and trying to build the whole workshop. So it doesn't work that way. So it has to be done with certain things in mind, certain plans, certain frameworks, certain aspects of research. All of this combined is going to give you a best Facebook ad ever, right? Okay. So I hope to transfer the same thing with this workshop, but also having a small idea in mind, a test experiment that I generally do like that. So I want to experiment that, and I want to kind of try it out. So let's get started. The first thing that I would be doing is an ad. Right, people would see my ad and then come to a landing page and they register. It's all very very simple thing, but I will kind of what to say, make it more clear, and every step I'm going to put it up. So the first step here would be a Facebook ad, and which will also be placed in Instagram, right? So a Facebook ad and an Instagram ad, this is what will be the major traffic source for my uh, workshop. And a minor traffic source would be my community as well, because I have been informing them they are free to welcome, and most of them get the VIP tickets because they're already my funnel masterclass community members. So they would also join. So I would just say, instead of this, I'll just edit this and say community members, right? But again, these guys are entering in the stage where they kind of know me and everything, so not much of selling is required for them. But yeah, so the whole idea here is I got my traffic sources fixed. Now I want them to drive to a simple landing page, right? So my first page would be a simple mobile landing page. Now, so when I say mobile landing page, I am going to connect all my traffic sources to this page, right? So let me just rename it as a landing page. I can even call it as an opt-in page, right? Where people actually opt in to my workshop. Now, once they go from opt-in page, I have a upsell page, right? This is my upsell page where I am going to upsell them the VIP ticket. So VIP ticket, one time offer, right? So this is my one time offer page. So I've got this very simple, what to say, thing fixed. So now once, what happens after that, right? After that, they can actually let me go to a thank you page. A thank you page which will take them. This is the thank you page they're going to get. But before that, before they're going to thank you page, they have to actually go to a payment gateway, right? So they have to purchase, because it's a one time offer. So if they purchase, and then they're going to go to the thank you page. If they don't purchase, for example, there are some people who might not purchase, so for them they are going to the normal thank you page, which is for the free one. So let me just go to just I will just make it a free version, right? So this is the basic, what to say, the funnel planning. But again, there are a lot more aspect to it, right? So if they don't, then they go in here, right? Now, so this is how it basically looks when I say, okay, I'm gonna do the what to say, do the workshop, and this is how it might look. But now the real fun adds up, wherein all the actual other steps come into picture. What are the other steps, you might say? What would be the other steps? What are things will be, right? Now, say for example, if they opt in, right, as soon as they opt in, I want them to register to the workshop Zoom, right? So what I will do here is I will go to miscellaneous. Let me, I have my Zoom, right? I want them to, as soon as they sign up, I want to auto register them to the Zoom. This is a one step that I want everyone to do, right? Because they have to get automatically registered to the Zoom meeting, right? This is one step. Also, I want them to go into my Sendinblue account for emails, right? So I'll just drag this email guy here, and I will just say Sendinblue, right? I might want to make a copy of it later, because I want this guy in multiple places. So now I have just made it here, and I'm just keeping it on the top. Why? Because I'll tell you guys later. Now I have got a Sendinblue also fixed up, right? This is where they go to the Sendinblue, and right, and they have to start getting the mails, right? They will start getting the, one is a confirmation mail that, hey, your seat has booked and stuff, right? So I want them to get a confirmation mail. Now after this, I want them to get another mail, which is like a follow-up mail, right? That, hey, why did you not let me just keep it here for now, and then just go here. At the moment, I'm keeping things very simple, because I know if I show too much, it might be overwhelming. So some of the steps I have not really discussed here, which are very, either later stage and stuff. So one is a confirmation mail, one is a follow-up mail, just to kind of give them an idea. There are a lot of other mail come into picture, the nurturing mails, other stuff come into picture. I'm not mentioned them here at the moment, right? So now auto register on Zoom, this is something that I want people to go through. And the next would be that I want them to also go to Sendinblue, and in Sendinblue I want them to get a follow-up mail plus also a confirmation mail. So I think till here my idea is clear. This is what I want them to do. Now, in case this is something that I want to what to say do for those people, is that whenever they join, as soon as they join, I want them to also get a WhatsApp message. Yes, it is possible. You can actually send WhatsApp messages to people. So let me just go ahead and bring in this guy. Let me just see. Okay, here I want people, I'll just go down. I want people to get a WhatsApp notification. WhatsApp message, right? So here what happens, as soon as they sign up for this, I want them to get a WhatsApp message as well. And again, the same sequence kind of follows with them as well, right? So I'm going to build these things with respect to the ones who just opt in from here. Next would be the VIP OTO offer. So I have to build this entire page, make it ready, and when people the ad has to kind of retarget them and stuff like that. But at the moment I'm not doing the retargeting ads because I'm considering this is a very simple workshop. I am not trying to scale this up to say 1,000 people, 2,000 people, like that. I just want 100 folks to be in the workshop, just because it's a test workshop. I'm trying to do some experiment, right? So I don't want more people. I want max to max 100 people to be registered for the workshop. It can maybe show up rate would be say 50 to 60%. If if the things are right, even I'm expecting 20 to 30 people at the end of the workshop, right? So because it's a just 2 hours one time workshop, I am expecting around that kind of a number. Say 20 people in till the end of the workshop is still a wonderful what to say way to get the workshop going. So now once they sign up, right, once they sign up, I want them to once they come here, once they say that they have purchased. Okay, let me not go from here. From actually this, as soon as they purchase, let me just come here. Yes, that they should go to the what? They should get a Sendinblue. Again, same thing. Confirmation email has to be sent to them. So I'm just copying this and putting it here. And at the moment, I'm not working on other emails, just a confirmation email, because what to say, if I start the entire thing, it might take a lot of time for me to complete this, and for you also would be too much to watch at once. So I just want them to get a confirmation mail, and as soon as they enter the list. Right now, if they don't, then they should get a thank you page. Even still, again, I'm not really sure if I'm. Let me see how much the time and everything is, and then I'll decide whether I should do that or not, right? So let me just fix the camera. Seems like a little bit tilted. Okay, still it's tilted. Okay, cool. So now these things are done. What next, right? So then I have to actually send them to this WhatsApp groups, right? So I'll have to keep the groups ready. So I'll just say groups, WhatsApp group free, and another copy of it is WhatsApp group VIP, right? Just what to say, a simple analogy that I've given. They have to come to my WhatsApp group and stay there, right? uh, you might say, hey, why not Discord group, why not that group, this group? We can do that, there's no problem. Just at the moment I just want it to be this way, right? So they basically go here in the WhatsApp group. Now, so let's first build this much. If I have missed something, we'll definitely go ahead and kind of continue from there. Yep, I think everything is figured out. I don't think so I have any problem. So now, for making all these things happen, we need these pages first, right? Because we have to build these pages and then work around the ads, then work around the the automations and everything else from there, right? So just make it. Okay, cool. So I have got this entire thing ready. My first would be the opt-in page. Before I go to the opt-in page, I want to make sure you guys understand something. I have a drive file here, a drive document, which has all the videos and which has even the this thing is here, which has the creative and copies of stuff, right? So this will give me an idea of what to say, everything is neat and ready. See, I have my resources doc where I have all the things ready. So I have my links, I have my XYZ, everything ready. So I kind of know what are the value props that I want to do. I want to fill in XYZ, everything is kind of ready, right? If it's not ready, I would suggest you want to first make all these things ready and then go for building your funnel, right? Now, so let me go to Swipe Pages. This is the tool I use to record the sorry create the funnels, just the pages, right? So let me go to create a new page, right? I'm going to create a simple page right now for us to kind of start with. So let me go and create a page. Let me say Facebook fundamentals workshop, and I would go for a simple mobile slider. I'll just select a smart page so that I oh, okay, it just came in back to this. I don't want, I just go to page type, I just select a mobile slider, so that it's a new one, it's still under test. So let's just try it. Okay, this is something simple, I like it, so I just a three slider. Let me see, view the template. Okay, cool. Three pictures and four options, blah blah blah. Okay, and the logo and header, use this template. Okay, first things first, header. I don't want header. Delete, close the header. Now, next is here, which I actually don't want the slide. So I'll just say yes. Oh no, this is nice. Let me try to see if this video can be edited so that, okay, animated box card form. Okay. I think this was a this is the video. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me delete the entire slide. Go ahead and delete it. Delete. Okay, let me delete the slide itself. Why to worry much? Yes, delete the slide. This is nice. I like this. Let me keep this. This is, what is this? This is another thing that I don't want to. This is another thing that I don't really want to. Uh, this is again, I don't want to. Again, don't want. Don't want. Yes. Nice. I'll just keep this. Yes. Email us and stuff. Okay, this I don't want to again. Yes, I will sure want to. Okay, I'll just keep this. I'll just add a new slide and then I say, do we have a form here? Okay, I didn't get what I wanted, so I'll just go ahead with what is available. And just try this. It looks good. This is what I wanted. Cool. This is what I really wanted to try. So I'll just go ahead and delete this link. I will go ahead and get, I think it's a slide. No, it's just a single video. I'm going to go to a service called Adilo and get this video link. So this is the MP4 file of it. I'm just getting the link here. I'm pasting that link. You might be wondering where this guy got it so quickly. And also the the video, I got it here. The video thumbnail also, I've got it here. Next is, this is something that I want to change. Okay, this is what, a box. Okay, so now this is something I want to change. Like I want to keep a blue box here. Change the color to a something like this blue. No, this is not a good blue. I just go with a little bit color. I just go with this blue. Okay, guys, very simple trick. Generally, I follow here is go to colors, go to primary, and then select color that you want to and put it up here. Update color. Say this is something I want to. Just go and update it. Complementary is white. Title is little royal blue kind of a thing. Okay, let me just update the color. White, black. Secondary, I generally keep this color or golden sometimes. Just kind of it pops up, and the red one more color that I generally keep. And I just save it. Always save whenever you make the changes. Sometimes this is still under what to say, kind of testing, so your things might get effed up. Just now it happened. I just cut that part and I'm showing it again. So make sure you take care of that. Learn fundamentals of Facebook ads in just 2 hours. Okay, the just is kind of cutting up the line, so in 2 hours I'll just keep it like that so it looks simple. Okay, online live workshop, and I want to highlight the workshop part, and I'm just going to do that here. Workshop duration 2 hours, instead of partners, date and time, I'm gonna add 21st Tuesday 11 a.m. Next, what else should I add? Online live workshop, uh 2 hours, date and time. I don't know what to add. Wait, let me just think of it. Mm, anything that I can add in the value prop? Value prop. Uh, okay, fine. Let me just come back. Who is it for? For answer would be business owners. Oh, spelling mistake. Right. So I've got 4 items ready. Here I want to edit this guy. I want to make it as register for free, and background color I want to keep okay, let me just keep this. Let me see, blue and no, it doesn't really go well. White goes well. Action, go to slide panel. Okay, fine. I think let's just slide panel. This is nice, but I just want to find out where the slide panel is. Where is the slide panel? Okay, let me see. This looks like a button now. Otherwise, it generally doesn't look like a button. Change selection, slide 4, slide 10, panels. Okay, now this looks good. Save it. Let me just publish it and give it test run. I just go with fbfanclub.io and just view the page. It takes a significant time to load. Let me just give me a minute. Okay, so it just got loaded and page looks like this. A bit weird. So let me just go and test in my phone. Let me just refresh my screen and see if this looks good. Yeah, this looks good. I mean, see here. It looks fantastic. So just play the video. And I'm very glad to give you a quick tour about how the workshop will be, what you'll be learning, and who is it for. The whole 2 hours will be amazing journey where you learn the fundamental, the building blocks. Okay, I have something called specs, I have something called features, I have something called contact. Okay. Home specs, home doesn't work. Contact doesn't work. Okay. Good. So far it is okay. So let me just come back here and work around these basics, which is these items. Now I don't want contact, delete it, features, delete it. I am using a landing page, so I don't want this as well. I don't want this as well. I just want it to be a simple page which has sliders, right? So here are the things that I already have. Okay, I don't need this top line. I'm going to delete. Okay, I think it has on its own. So let me just go see if there is any padding to it. I don't see anything. And if I go above, okay, I don't want the any have background color, overlay color. Okay, width 100%, height. Okay, okay, control Z, control Z, Z, Z. I screwed it up, guys. I screwed it up. Oh man. Okay, this is sufficient. So now my first page is ready. I just want to delete this whole navigation block so this doesn't disturb me. Now I don't have navigation. I have slides with 90%, spacing between 10, background as layout, enabled indicators. This should be there. Active dot, inactive dot. Okay, cool. Uh, Call to action, register for free, slide panel. Okay, where is this panel in the first place? Let me click what happens. It goes to this. Okay. Now I want people to have another option wherein they can actually select, but I'm getting confused. Where is this panel, which is, it's here. Okay, cool. So now I want to have some idea. Okay, I will do one thing. I will just use this. I will remove this because I don't have too much info to show at the moment. So I will just write here what are the important factors that are they're going to learn. Okay, learn the fundamentals again. No, where I have written something, very important stuff. Yes, I think this is sufficient. I will just go ahead and enter it. You might say this guy is very unorganized. He did not complete the things. Sometimes and most of the times I will be unorganized, but that creates a lot of curiosity and stuff. So yeah. Oh my god, I have to just, I did not do that. Just go here and then title. I'm gonna copy the same thing and paste it back just to make it look bold. Hmm. So next, there are four pointers. I think I have three of them ready. How to generate, not how to learn to generate, learn how to generate leads at a lesser cost, at a low cost. So this is something that I will be covering in the workshop. Another fourth tip is I have to give some bonus. So I will write bonus. Oh man, bonus. Uh, no, this is something I'm going to give it for paid. So what do I give it for free? Something that I can give them. Hmm, I can give the funnel maps. Facebook ad funnel map uh, template and checklist to build a success profitable Facebook funnel. This is something anyway I've created, so I can give that to people. Facebook ad funnel templates to no and checklist to build a profitable Facebook funnel. Okay, fine. This is good to go. Bonus. You guys might be wondering, this is how the bonus will be decided. Yes, this is how it is. Okay, why did it go to this? I'm gonna show you guys the magic. Oh, okay. Never mind. ABC and just take this. Okay, cool. So now I'm able to add this up. Let me see if I can change the color of this guy. Style, colors, icon color to yellow. Oh, it doesn't really look good. Red. Let me do a green color. Uh, This screen works well. They let all these be okay. This is all fine. So this is what they're going to learn. Now, what are they? I think these information is sufficient. So let me just go ahead and say register now. Register now for free. Bold and little smaller font size. Attend fix your Facebook ads problem once and forever. Okay, I need this is the form, so I need short text, phone. I need some more things. I need the email ID. Email again, phone. I need their country. Yes, it is required. What is this label? First name, second name, just keep it to India. Where is India? India is here. What is this label? Okay, 1 minute, back to all the feeds. Email, placeholder, pattern. No, I'm not going to get the pattern, so they should understand what mail is. And submission, form name, let it be form 1, labels, color, submit. This is where book my spot. And obviously I'm going to change this color to swatch to blue. Okay, cool. So I think I've got all these basic things set up. Now seems like the first page is done. Label typography. Okay, I'm not really going to be worried about it now. Okay. Save, publish, and see how it works. Learn fundamental Facebook ads in 2 hours. I have all the things. Who is it for? Business owners. They can actually get this. Now if they want to see 36 hours, okay, things like this is not updated. Yes, learn the fundamentals of Facebook ads, learn easy effective framework for ads, learn how to generate quality leads at low cost. Bonus, that's it. So they just have to click on register for free, and that's it. So let me just try it on my phone. So I'm just gonna refresh my page. Okay, and they have an option here. There is no option. I just have to register for free, and then they get an option US1. Then select India, and then go ahead and register. Okay, so this is something that got ready now. Now what I want to do is I want to also, as soon as they register, I want them to go to another funnel, right? So for that, I will just add the link here itself, because anyway I'm this page. So I'll just go to this and then go to the submission. And as soon as they submit, I want to redirect them to fb dot funnelclub.io slash VIP FB fundamentals workshop slash VIP, right? So Now I have, and also messages redirecting, and let it just submit. Okay, done. My first work is completed. I know it took a lot of time. I'm coming back to dashboard. Let me just complete the pages so that I can go ahead and do the other stuff. Okay, my first uh, page is ready. Now let me go to the Funnel Club, and I have one page ready. I want to make the other page. This is OTGO. So I'll say one time offer. Not really the one time offer. It will be given multiple times. So I want this to again be a slider. So I'll just say thank you page. Not thank you page. Okay. What am I talking about? Okay. Simple page where I have multiple things. So I'll just make it like, how do I make it? Okay. I just add 3 blocks to this. First block will have a video. This will have nothing, no navigation as well. Where is navigation? Good that navigation is off. Colors. Okay, it's supposed to be that colors, but now because it's what to say, a new page and few things are changed, I'm gonna slightly tweak it a bit. I'm gonna give titles a red color, and create that impression, or what to say, the thing. So let me just, I'll just keep, I have red, so I'll just keep yellow. I like these colors somewhat more. Okay, so before that, I want to add something else. I'll just say if I can add a block, a box on top. Cool. I can just add a text, and I will see if I can add a divider, card, form, only these things, right? So that's okay. So I'll just go ahead and say congratulations for signing up. But your order is not complete yet. And bold, color swatch, red, signing up, but your order is not complete yet. So this is where I'm gonna give you an one-time offer. What is that one-time offer? Where is the video? Video is here. I have to go back to workshop and go to OTO page video, and then copy the share and embed link files, copy its MP4 link. Now I'm coming back to this, adding it. I've got it. Now I have to actually, oh, I'm just saving it so that I don't miss out. Publish domain funnel club. What was it about? FBF VIP. Publish. So I've got it published. Now I have this video link. I need to create a thumbnail for it again. Okay. Upgrade your ticket. So that's what I'm going to give them. So let me just have the same v control C, and then, oh, why am I doing that? Just go ahead and do it again. Arrow mark. It comes somewhere here. So I'll just say click here to play. That play button will come up. Upgrade your ticket for a small fee. No, I'll just mention the entire amount for just rupees 199. This is just to kind of, give a trial upsell and see how it goes. And I also want to mention the worth of it, which is actually pretty good. Worth rupees 2499. This is how much it is worth. Let me see if this looks good. No, it doesn't. So I just want to make it. I just make it little yellow. So let me download this. JPEG, and then let's see if I can download this. Okay, so I'm here. Upload. Click here to upload. Super. It just exactly points to that pin. So yeah, good job. Okay, so now I've got my video here, and once the video is up, now we have to go for the other things, right? So what are the other things? And I don't know what are the other things. Okay, now is the value proposition, right? So I want to add some boxes and kind of give the idea to people. So I'll just go ahead and say image icon. Okay, let me make this. I can add more. Let me think, how do I want to put it up? Okay, first I want to give them an idea of what it is and stuff. This is a one time offer. What happened is with this TIME one times. Okay, this looks much better. And I want to have a background color as swatch red, and text should be white, yellow. Okay, it looks the old style way. Now let me write, how do I want to put it up? Let me put some more text. Learn this is another heading that I want to give it to people. This will okay, I want to add another box to it. Oh man. Oh, the blocks slide is here. Okay, this is okay. Now it's okay. I will want to put up all the what to say, the details and stuff like that. Okay. I'll just go and see if I have anything here. No, I have not put up. Yes. So I don't want to convey everything here. I want to them to go ahead. Uh, okay, let me just have give them text and then just explain that get VIP benefits and access to the recording along with many more perks. Grab your access, VIP access now. Get essentials shall support to run your ads and solution to all your no, no, and, and answer to all your burning questions on on FB ads. Okay. Burning questions is sufficient. Because okay, I think it went beyond the line. Okay, let me just. I will just say, like this, so that it's kind of okay. To all your burning questions. Okay, this is sufficient. This needs to put it on your ads and also answers to all your burning questions. Get grab your VIP access now. Okay, this is good to go. I'm saving it. Okay, now I have to go here as a home button. Home is like register upgrade for 199. I don't upgrade to VIP ticket for rupees 199. Cool. So I've got this ready. I've got the thing ready. I just want to make this thing look like this. Animation is okay. I don't want to put any animation at the moment. Slide 2 would be the benefit slide. Okay, I want to have these here. Okay, the blue looks good, so I'll just keep it. I can always change the icon and stuff. So boom. First is recording, so I'll just say, oh, this is an image. Oh, that's bad. I want to remove this guy then. I want to add an icon, then I want to add a text to this. Recording. Oh, not there. Camera. Okay. Oh, come on. Let me see if this got updated here. Slash FBF VIP. Congratulations for signing up, but your order is not complete yet. This is a one-time offer only. Okay, your text goes here. The order is showing up, but not in a very nice way. Swipe page to navigate. Okay. Stopping here. I have some congratulations. Now you're officially the part of Facebook Fundamentals workshop. But it isn't stopping here. I have something very excited for you, and you would definitely love it. What is that? It is the VIP ticket for the same workshop. You may say, I have already got the workshop ticket. I can easily come and join. Okay, I'm so in love with my thing, so I'm just watching it. Okay. Uh, let me do one thing. Let me just delete this guy and put it up because I have a lot of them to add. So I am not very sure if this is going to help me out in any way. So boom, got it deleted, delete, 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 delete. Okay, only one column is there. I cannot delete. No problem. I will add more columns, more boxes. Now I can add whatever that I want to. Okay, so I want to add more boxes on the right and left, and then oh no 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 no! I don't want to add boxes on the right and left because it again clutters a little bit. So I just keep adding. How many points do I have? I have a lot of them. I remember. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Seven, not really eight. So I need seven of them. Three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, and then I cannot add on the sides. That is weird. Mm, okay, let me just add these guys first. Let me see what happens because I remember I could add some of it to the page. I think I can add more. Let me just keep adding it. Okay, let me first put up the text and now try to add a box somewhere on the sides. It's not allowing me. That's weird. Okay, now let's try to add a box on the side. Okay, that's fine. You guys are getting tired now itself. How would you guys survive later? Two. Okay. Now let's see if I can copy and nope, I cannot paste them. What can I do? I can do this way. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Now let me try to add the icon and I can type. Okay. Border width. I don't want background color. So the background color thing is gone. Now icon color. I want it to be white or yellow, for example. That also looks good. Um, now, cool. So this guy can go to the extreme end and then we can do something about it. So something like this. Okay, now the icon time. So I'll just go and say recording. Yeah, I got a recording one. Nice. So I'll just say recording. Icon color is added and then I say text. Recorded sessions of the live workshop. Instead of you, I'll just say get recorded sessions of the live workshop of the live board, bold left aligned, text color being swatch white. Okay, looks good. Same thing, icon. Oh man, I just do a copy
and that just comes here. Simple. What's the second one, which is participate in exclusive Q&A inside group? So it will be a Q&A. Q&A question mark should be there. Yes, this looks good. This is a text box, and I want to give that text box here. No, I think X, V, get Q&As inside WhatsApp group. And then text color is white, patch white. Only two lines, so I want to follow the same method. Two line gap, and see if this is still isn't sufficient. It needs more. Okay, that is still acceptable. I'll just see C, then CV. Oh, this is the problem. Okay, got it. Let me see if I can do. Oh man. This is the best way to go for. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there can be 5 easily put up. I'll just copy everything so that it's best. You don't have problems at all. And I do this only problem, right? So I'll just do this. WhatsApp group. Instead of you can, you get to, I have to change it. Next is what is the important thing here? Uh, okay, this is an additional thing that I'm giving it to people. Just learning. Insert icon. Everything is here. Why is it not bold? Now is the time to add another value adder. Yeah, this is something that I wanted to add. 1 month support through WhatsApp chat. Mm, WhatsApp chat. Why colored icon? I want people to understand that it is WhatsApp chat and stuff. So we copy this thing and I think it's fine. This is bonus. So let me see if I have a bonus option. No, gift box. Not gift box, gift box. Colorful. Okay. This is bonus one that they're gonna get. And here also they're going to get one more bonus. Control Z. Sometimes this is how irritating building funnels can get by not choosing the right tool or experimenting with something new and then recording that. Swipe is very good, to be honest. Their regular, what to say, the funnel builder is very nice. I'm trying something new in them, so that's why I'm hustling a bit. But on a regular note, their tool is fantastic and I love it. No paid promotions. Okay. You just need a little more patience to kind of master this tool so that I can do wonders with it. Just like how you can create something like this, an entirely new type of landing page that most funnel builder tools do not offer. Even not even ClickFunnels. I've got ClickFunnels here. This guy, it does not offer this kind of a wonderful feature. Okay. I want this to be in golden color. Building process video, and I want it to be aligned left with step by step explanation. Okay, cool. So I've got all these things ready. Now upgrade to VIP ticket. So this is ready. I'll just say click save. And as soon as they click on the VIP ticket, I need it to do a call to action, that is go to a URL. So now this will be the um, Razorpay URL. So what I want to do here is that I want to go to Razorpay and then create the page for it, right? So now where are we? We completed, we did the opt-in page, we did the EIP ticket OTO page in 1 hour time. Okay, my camera is also getting it's dying soon. So I think I'll just complete that and I'll do another retake after an hour or two. So I just complete this much part so that you guys get an idea. I never thought it would be so long. Uh, so let me just come back and oh, wonderful. Something is going on. This is another page. Okay, I want to create a payment page in this, and I would just want to do an event and tickets page. And I'll say, let's go and Facebook fundamentals VIP access ticket. Okay, I don't want to do anything here. I just want to put these things. You can participate in Q&A, XYZ stuff here. Okay, this I have to add the link. So these are the things. This is bonus. Get a 1 month support. The WhatsApp group. Okay. No refunds will be provided. Simple, straightforward. What is the amount? Price field, fixed amount, 199. Save, email, phone number, input field, single line text, name. I want people to give their name so that that's the only way I get to know their name, email address, and phone number. Okay, cool. I got it. I will just say page settings. Link would be that it is fbf.vip. Let me see if this is available. Light theme would fine. No expiry date. Okay, my camera died, so I think you can see me now from my regular screen. Show custom message, redirect to your website. I would want to do that. FB dot. Oh, I forgot to add no thanks box. I will probably not add it. Let it be funnelclub.io/VIP thanks. So this is something that I would be doing. FBF thanks. That's not required. Add your Facebook pixel. I'm not going to add it now because I don't want it. Create and publish page. Okay, got it. So I've got copy URL, FBF VIP, customize. Okay, just got it for FBI VIP. Huh, okay, correct. So it has to be that itself. So I'll just go create different value. VIP1. That's why you should not too much sometimes fiddle around with things. It might get destroyed. Hard lessons learned. So I've got it. Okay, I'm not gonna test it now. I'll just say publish. Cool. So I've got it here. Kenny is inside WhatsApp group. Blah blah blah. Okay, all these things are in. Now what am I going to do? Now these two things are done. Let me see if I have any panel. No, I don't have any panel. I got the payment link. Everything is done. Let me test this thing first, right? I just go back and see if this works. Okay, this is basically FBF VIP. So I'm just going to go to my phone and just refresh the screen. I don't know whether people would understand this whole stuff or they might feel what to say, overwhelmed with it. Nothing else is there. Then that's it. I think it's too much, little of an information that I'm giving it to them. So 1 month chat support to WhatsApp. They register and if they click on the link, they click on the link. Why? Okay, no, it's fine. So VIP access ticket and my details. Okay, next. Phone name, email, this thing, and they can register through Razorpay. Cool. So it is working fine. Now register for free and then they get the booking access. They close it. What do they get? Nothing. They have 4 options. Okay. This is a weird landing page that I've ever built. Honestly. But let's give it a try. Right? This is an experiment that I'm going to do because I want to do something which is simpler for people to do, consume, and I hope this is very simpler. So when people try to this, just swipe to navigate and then just 2 lines and then there's only option to register. So good. So we are kind of done with halfway through. I'm going to take a quick break now and come back, and then we do the second part of it, which is the other half, and then kind of go ahead because it makes more sense if I take a break quickly and come back and meanwhile charge my battery pack of my camera so that it would be good. Welcome to part 2 of this video. It would be merged along with the same video, so you might not really see the difference. But I took a good break and, I just went around, so finished some work and I came back because, it was a little longer to do it at one stretch. So let's get going. Okay, I missed something. Yes. This is something that will add a little glow to my face and video looks much better. Okay, so let's get going. Let me share my screen. Where were we? Okay, I think we were here. Okay, so we updated opt-in page. We did the VIP ticket audio page. We did a thank you page. I mean, I shared with my person. He said, "Hey, it's very simple page. Why did you do that? Why not a longer regular type of sales page?" I said, "I just want to give a try. So let me see what happens." Right. So I don't know how it's gonna be. Anyway, so we are left with the thank you page. So we have to do a thank you page. So let me go back to landing pages. So Fun Club, and then create new page. Thank you page. I think we had given one thank you page. I'll do the same mobile and I'll just select a blank template. Here I would need just a single, what to say. Okay, do I need, okay, let me just take 2 of them. I will not need the header. I will just add the bottom text. Congratulations. So this I want it in the green color. Okay, I do not have that color here. So congratulations. I think rest everything is good to go here. Let me just try to say, okay. Welcome aboard. Let me do the namaste symbol. These are just fun stuff I'm trying to do. That's it. So I just want to make sure both of them sit in the same line. Okay, welcome aboard. First things first, they have to join the WhatsApp group. So I'll just add a big button here. Uh, Join WhatsApp group, BIP WhatsApp group. And I want this to have not a gradient color, a solid green color, and a box and link URL. And let me go to my resources. Oh, a lot of things are not yet figured out. Oh my god. Okay, so copy. If you hear the dog barking, I'm very sorry about it because I closed everything, still the dog barking sound is there. So yep. Okay, so let me give some details to people who are signed up. So let me just say, what do I add? Okay, just add this. I'll just add a text and then say step one, join the WhatsApp group. Step two, make sure you are registered on Zoom. Step three, check for check for our mail in your inbox with all the bonuses. Okay, I'm gonna send them the bonus maybe a little later, not now. So I will just say, check for our mail in your inbox. Check for a confirmation mail. Let's just say confirmation mail. That is better. Confirmation mail in your inbox. Yep, these are the good to go things that I want people to do. And then the color of it has to be, let me keep it this color this time, a title color, and then let it be bold. Let the font can be 20, little bit. No, this is too much. Okay. Line height. Let me give a little bit of line height. Oh, that will not. That's okay. I have still space for things. Okay. Now what do we do? I will see you in the workshop. I will. Okay, I can just ask people to give their, this thing. let this be there. I want a form where people can just submit something that they have, a question or something. Here I don't want the name. Back to all fields, add a field, and add a long text where biggest, mention the biggest challenge you are facing with Facebook ads. Type here. Yes. Is it required? If they want to do it, let them do it. I will just come back and I will remove the phone. I will remove the delete short text, delete. So this is one question that gets, kind of, okay, now this is the treble. Okay, not a problem. I just move this guy a little bit up and I have the thing here. So style, label, label typography, font size. Okay, font variant, I want a little bold font. Okay, these are only 3 steps. Style, okay, label, submit. And field typography, margin, button has a little bit. Okay, that is fine. Now I just want the submission to be okay, no redirect URL, just a thank you message. Okay, nothing as such, so this is fine, and I wanted this to be there. Okay. So okay, that's it. This is what it has to be. Now let me just join VIP WhatsApp group, save. Okay, while publishing, I want the link to be, I forgot the link. So let me just go back to the active page, edit page, settings, VIP, FBF, VIP. Thanks. So this is what I'm going to add here. Oh my God, this is where my page was. This is how I work. Sometimes very cluttered, sometimes not very cluttered. Okay, you're seeing me watching very badly in my computer. Yeah, my computer is here, so I'm mostly watching my computer. Okay. So yeah, so this is how it is. Now this much is done. We have our group, everything ready. I'm just going to check the link once again. So let me just go to preview and see if this works. Okay, VIP 21st. Yes, it is working. This is something I missed giving it to people. I wanted to give the date and time and everything. So I think this is okay because this will serve as a single ad even if I'm planning to run it in the feature. So that is okay. Now I have my groups link that goes here. Okay, now I have all the 3 pages ready. So where are we now? So this is complete, this is complete, this is complete, right? So now we can go ahead and actually start running the ads, because this will take some time to construct the event and everything. So it will take its own sweet time. So let's complete this, come back. Meanwhile the ads are kind of reviewing, we can come and do this automation stuff. Okay, so let me Okay, WhatsApp VIP group is also set. Thank you page is set. This is something we did not do because we are going to send an email to them anyway once they sign up here. So that email will have the, the free registration thing. So that is why I'm, kind of giving them this option. But anyway, in any case, I am only going to send them after 15 minutes. So that's still okay. So now what do? We have to do the advertising part, right? So for doing the advertising part, I will not need this tab because this work is completed. I'm going to remove that. I will need swipe pages because if I need to add something. um okay, let me add the fundamentals, tracking codes. Okay, they still have all the tracking code options. That is wonderful. I will need this guy. I will not need this page at this moment. Nope, creative is all I'm going to delete, just to make sure that I don't run out of space. Okay, what are the things that are needed? Okay, this is okay, I will need Pabbly, I will need Namecheap, Sunblue, Zoom. Okay, all of this is needed. Save, update. Okay, cool. So let me just go back to dashboard. Yes, I will need this too. So, okay, I am in my Facebook ads manager now. You can see multiple campaigns. I keep running this is 30 days. So let me create a new campaign. But before that, I have not added my domain. So I'll have to first go ahead and add the domain. This is a new domain that I've taken. Earlier, I had a different domain. So let me just go ahead and take the different domain. So just go to business settings. And okay, where did it go to? Brand resources, domains, add domain, funnelclub.io. I am going to do a DNS TXT record and then check it. So I'm going to copy this. I want to do a TXT record. So I'm going to click on add new record, a text record. Value is this. Where is the host? Oh, okay. Text DNS. In the host symbol. Okay. At. So I will say at and make the changes. Okay, it says something is wrong. So let me come back and check what did I miss. Follow the instructions to add text recording in DNS configuration. Some domain registers require add symbol in the host field. Yes, mine will require. Okay, let me just not give anything in the host and try. A value must be provided. So what is the error message? Oh, this is wonderful about Namecheap. They don't even say what's the error message. Add a new record, text record, host is at, and the value is this. Domain verification key. Okay, I think they just want me to log in back. Let me check. Yes, that was the issue. So they have one of the good security option. Even GoDaddy, every domain name provider has it. So I will get an SMS now to verify. 642438 SMS code that comes up. Only then I can go ahead and log in and do whatever that I want to. So now they are not allowing me because of that. So I will go ahead and add it. Now I'll just go ahead and add a TXT record, add as a host, and then again give this guy's details. Oh, where did this name sheet go? Okay, wonderful. So this got updated. Verify domain. Probably it would have not done by this time. Yeah, it is not. That happens because this guy takes, I mean, the things. Oh, that's nice. It got done fast. Okay, connected domain assets, add assets, classic pages, the active guy, domain assets added. Okay, I've just added my domain asset. Okay, verified. Anything is there? Okay, fine, cool. So now I need to go ahead and go to pixels. This is one of the, what to say, weirdest stuff that sometimes happens, sometimes throws a lot of issues. Hope for the best. So Facebook fundamental workshop fb dot funnel club dot io. Continue setup pixel now. Add code using manually add code. I'll just copy this. Automatic advanced matching, no activity at the base. Let me go to this, add the code. I do not add the pixel ID here because it really, for me, something or the other keeps happening. So I've faced issue multiple times with respect to swipe pages, adding it here. So I generally go ahead and put this whole stuff in the header. That worked always good for me. So I will just have to go now and say fb dot funnelclub.io and then check if the pixels are triggering. Nope, no pixels are triggering yet. Let me come back. Oh my god, where did I go to? Yes, I have got my pixel ready here. Settings changed. Yes, you can see successfully one thing triggered. The event code, but not activated for this event. That's okay. Nothing has been activated. I was just testing. So now I can just go ahead and add fb.funnelclub.io and say centrist traffic. And come back and see if it detects. Yes, page view got detected. So here itself, I have an option to set up events. I just go here and set up events. What? What are these? Community violence. What are these? I want to understand. Oh, okay. What is wrong with this? This is good to go. Anyway, let me come back to this guy later. I will just close it. Okay, not a problem. Let me just go here and set up events. Okay. This is active, so I'll just say continue. Use Facebook events tool, fb.funnelclub.io. You might ask me, why do I type every time? Why not I directly go ahead and do stuff? But I don't know, I'm so used to typing the thing. I want to track just the URL contains, not exactly equals to, because when I'm running ads on Facebook, I will add UTM parameters that I don't want to disturb. So that is the reason I have given URL contains, because URL parameters do add up in the last, so page may not be detected. So I would just want it to be that way. I would want donate, no, view content, only this to get, don't include value, and just say confirm. I've added one. I want to add a button. I want to track a button. Unfortunately, I think this will not click on the highlight or a button, because there is no button at all in this. How will it detect? Let me check. Nope. Okay, so the problem with this is that this button is now out of its scope. So it's not really detecting, because that's how the Facebook is going to be working around this. Okay, not a problem. I will just go back and just track an URL which is contains this plus my other one, which is slash what is that? It is FBF, and then say, no, that won't even come here, right? Why do I track that here? Okay, let me just cancel this. So I'll just say finish setup for this page. Finish. Don't ask me again. Skip. Okay, this is fine. I'm not going to test the event. It will fire properly. I want to go ahead and add some more events. I'll just go to event, open event manager. Why is it still red? Add people. Okay, I'm going to add myself. Assign. Okay, so add assets, active agency, assets are added. Now it should be okay. Let me go to events manager. If I'm going too fast, don't worry. You'll anyway have this video. Just go back, see once, and do it. That would kind of give you things in a much better way. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I'm not going into that thing at the moment, because there are certain things that I would want to what to say. I would want to avoid at this moment, because not really required for this. Let me go to open event tool, and then I'm gonna type my URL slash fbf dot, sorry. Okay, I have to first add the pixel code for that. So I'll just go here, take this entire pixel code and go back to landing pages, go to my funnel club and thank you page. And okay, let me do one thing. Let me just do the conversions for OTO. So I just say analytics, sorry, settings, and then I'm gonna put this into this, then set it up, publish. uh just copy this and go to Facebook. Okay, this I don't need. I just close it. I will just use this link and then try to open website. Okay, wonderful. So here I'm going to put a conversion. That means as soon as somebody signs up a free event as well, I am adding them as a conversion, so that my conversions will increase and Facebook will show to more audience at a lesser cost. That's a basic idea. Uh, or to say a bad idea as well. But let's go ahead with that. Select an event. I want to event, say, register. I will just say, okay, lead. Okay, I don't choose a value and then I just say confirm. Now I've got my lead. So I'll just say finish setup, finish, skip, done. Okay, there is some problem. What is this problem? Let me just go ahead and say it. Okay, ignore. Management. That's okay. I just made this, in the aggregated events, web event configurations. Okay, cool. So I have this thing ready. I will see one other task. What is this one? Are you sure that welcome to task center? Show me later. Remove from task list. Ignore it. Okay, I'm good to go. There you have no critical task. I will just go to ads manager. Good that it happened very smoothly. Sometimes it will create a lot of issues. It doesn't show up. The pixels get stuck here, there. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do a conversion campaign. This is something that you all need to understand when you are doing a conversion campaign. If you're confirmed that your offer is something that people would register too much, then only go for conversion campaign, because conversions campaigns will cost you a lot to get those conversions. So if you're targeting a warm audience, best to go for conversion. If not, I would not really suggest you to go for conversion campaign. Why am I going to conversion campaign? I'm going to test the conversion campaign because this is a free workshop and I would expect people easily coming into it. I would not expect them to not register. So that is the reason I am kind of going with conversion, and I feel that people can quickly, as soon as they see ad and they register fast. That's a confidence level that I have, but I might be wrong. Again, this is an experiment, as I said, to show something for you guys to understand. So in case I might be wrong, people will not even be interested. In that case, I will be incurring a lot of cost, and that doesn't happen. Why? Because I keep checking my ads. I make sure that I optimize it. If I feel there is a teda meda, I will just go back to traffic campaign. I will do something. Maybe I'll record that as well when I'm doing that. Probably after a day or two, just a small video which I'm just checking all the things, checking how the funnel is performing and everything, and making some tweaks. Let's see if I can record that. I'll definitely record that too. So now, for example, now for the moment, I'll just go for conversions and I'll just hit continue. And I will call this Facebook Fundamental Workshop Conversion Campaign. Right? So I've got this ready. Let all these be there. Campaign budget optimization. Let's start with the daily budget. Let me just give it as a $10. That would be around 800 rupees. So let me just give it for that. 800, no, 750 rupees around that. So I'll just give a lowest bid strategy, and then I just go next. Okay, so it says, no, that's it. So I'll say biz owners, and then select a pixel, Facebook fundamentals workshop pixels, and select an event. I want to target my lead event. If you see here, the lead event is only which is having some activity because we set up the event, right? So I have set it up. You can ignore this dynamic creative offer. No, no, we're not going to do that. We're not going to set an end date at the moment because I want to test this how it performs, and I'm going to do all those changes based on the thing. I do not have any certain audience at the moment. I am going to start with all over India. Uh, just give the country. This is going to be too broad. I generally don't do this. What I do is I test for the whole lot of things, and then I understand where people are coming from and stuff. And then I kind of optimize it. So this is just a starting point. So I'm just giving out all the things. So age would be minimum 30. I want people who are little elder. They have the problem, say 35 to 60, right? I want those kind of people to come into my workshop, and both the genders would be okay. And detailed targeting, I am going to twink in a little bit, very very business. Okay, business owners. And let me see what other things that I can target. Product, B2B, business network, classes, page admins, business page admins. This is another good way. Coaches, people who study coaching and stuff, so they would need ads. And consultants, consultant need ads. Interested in consulting. At the moment, let me just keep it this because I narrow it down when I go beyond it. Now it's a very broad market, so let me just save it. All India biz owners. This is a very, what to say, um, just don't copy this. Right, that's what I can say. So why? Because I will be measuring it every step and making the changes. This is just to set up and test the basic grounds or how the interest is. Then we kind of go on tweaking it. So that is the reason. Then later, don't tell me that I did for all over India. I just use 500 rupees and it's not working. It's not going to work that way, right? So I will just say add one. Just say video add one. Select my page. Oh, I missed something. Where did I? Yes, here. I just give manual placement, and I will remove audience network and messenger. I'm not a big fan of those two. Again, Facebook marketplace, I'm not a big fan of those two, that as well. Video feeds is okay. Right column is again not required because my creative doesn't fit there. Instagram explore, okay. Shop, okay. Shop, again, India, it's not very using, so not required. Stories, nobody sees it. Instagram stories, okay. Messenger stories, Instagram reels, okay. This is something I want to. In-stream videos, this is one good place to be in. Search, nope. In article, yes, a good place to be in. Okay, good to go. Now, so I've got this thing ready. I'll just go ahead and add media, add a video. Let me see if the video got loaded in my. Okay, I have not got I haven't got the video downloaded in my thing, so I'll just go to my drive. Let me just go to download it, download it, download it. So they're all gonna be downloading in a few minutes. So while they download, I have to actually get the other image as well. So let me just go to Canva and see if that image is also ready. Okay. This is my ad creative. I'm going to download this JPEG. Okay, only the first one. Just close it. Okay, all the videos, everything got downloaded. So we're good to go. Let me go to Facebook and then click on upload. Okay, I am going to upload a regular video, which is one-on-one, and then let it upload. See, this is something that I would want you guys to do. Okay, want you all to do that. Sometimes that better in, if it's a image creative, you can write reshape it. If it's a video creative, I would suggest you to reshape the video creative video ad that you're planning to use, reshape it to different format. I use three formats: 4:5, 1:1, and 9:16 ratio, because it looks wonderful on those particular places, and I would highly recommend you doing that. If it's a square image, still it fits in most of the places, so I generally use square image. Even on the storyline it looks very nice, so that's why I generally use it on store, even the that same place. So I really don't change my image creative much, but it's a video, I would definitely do it. So I will just go ahead and edit group, and I would say change. See, now it looks like this. Rather, I would want I would upload another video itself in order to give it for reel format, because now it looks more native to the format, because I want it to be on reels very nicely. So it is getting updated. So it will take its own sweet time because it's processing. Look at it now. The whole frame is completely in a very nice mood, and I like it. So I just click on save. Okay, now edit your video to meet the mass requirement. I will just go ahead and say this length video is not valid. Oh, my length is ah, forget it then. Forget the real option. So let it be as it is. Rest of the places let it go. Uh, I should have taken care of it. I thought it was. Hmm, that's okay. In Stream, everything is good. Reels and stories are here. Primary text. Okay. So that is my. Let me just write learn. No, I just say register for free. For free. Primary text. I just come back here. So this is one of the simple ad template that I have. I'm gonna edit it now, right now in front of you guys. Wouldn't it be great if there was a quick and easy way to learn Facebook ads the right way? Stop struggling with. Now I'm gonna tell these points that stop struggling with. One, what have we stopped struggling with? Boost button, getting you a lot of views but no sales. Or what might be um, the other problem would be that people have a lot of struggle with respect to, you know, finding the right target and messaging, dealing with technical difficulties of Facebook ads manager, right? So these are the three major problem people would have. So I would love to share with you free. This is a template. I'm just kind of editing that template. So I have a simple and free 2 hour 2 hour Facebook fundamental workshop. Okay, I will just edit this line. I don't need this. Which exactly helps you get started with Facebook ads. Click on the link below and grab your free spot. Simple and effective messaging. I would always love to keep copy as short as possible. There are people who write long copy. I'm not a fan of long copy. Let me just put the same in the description. If you see here, description, if I put it, it just be there in two places. I'll just say make it Facebook apps. You will also make Facebook apps. This is something that I have observed a lot. People would need the dates. So I'm gonna add a date. Okay, I'm gonna add it in here itself because there it doesn't really work well. The editor is not good. Don't use that editor. Date 21st 21st September. Ah, 11:00 a.m. Schedule link fb.funnelclub.io. That's it. So I'm all set. Let me just say w. No, that's not required. So I'll just add it. HTTPS. Okay, so I have another copy, but I will be testing it after a day or two because I just want to test this copy and this creator stuff. So I've got this thing ready. Now I want to have sign up, and the URL that I'm going to give it is abby.funnelclub.io preview URL. It is working. Cool. So this is good to go. Now I have got this Funnel Club this thing as well. Website event is already set up. I want to add URL parameters. I just want to build a URL parameters for name, campaign name, campaign. I just want to add the name so I know where the things are coming and just say apply. So I have got two parameters, my campaign name and my ad name. That way I get to know, okay, if this is says video ad one, then I know, okay, this is where the things are, right? So I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna check everything is fine. Okay, everything looks fine. Good to go. Let's just let publish, right? So I'm going to make this ad publish. Now, what I'm going to do here is that I would just add another ad, which is similar to this. After a day, if this ad does not perform well, I have a strategy that I'm going to implement. But now I'm just going to use the basic one because let me test with the bare minimum first, and then I will go ahead and apply different tactics that I have. Right. So I would go ahead and say image copy one, image ad one. So this way I know where the things are happening. And now okay, this are all is fine. I'm not going to change anything. I just going to delete this, add media, add image, then upload this add image, right? So that is what I'm going to do it now. Next, original, allow enhancements. Got it. So I've got this thing also ready. Now I'll just say hit publish. Now, after this is done, from my side, Facebook ad work is completed. But I also want to see the ads as soon as they kind of, I want to test the ads. I just go and click preview and I will say share a link, copy, and then I just open up a new window, paste that link. This way you can actually see your ads running and see how they're working. If you feel that something is wrong, you can always go back and fix it. I'll just say show ad. Let me see which ad is selected. Okay, this ad is there. I'll just click on show ad. Right, it took me back to Facebook now. Right, I just wait for it to get completed. Okay, so done. I'll just go back to Facebook ads again. I will select the other ad, which is this ad, and I'll just click the link, share the link, copy, and then say done, and then just go here and then same the second one as well, right? And I'll click show ad. Okay. Okay, sometimes I get lost in these things, so let me not go back. Okay, this is completed. Drive is also completed. This is completed. Okay, just I need it now. So this is done. These tasks are done. Now my ads are in processing. I'm not going to touch them for some time. I'm going to leave them for here right now. Okay, so let them load up and do stuff. I'll just close this window. Let me close this window as well. Okay, let me come to this later. So now I have fixed these two things are ready. Community, I'm going to share it later. So it's just a WhatsApp message that I'm going to send them. So done. Now, as soon as they sign in, right? Somebody signs in. I want to send them a WhatsApp message as well as I want to send them. I want to register them Zoom. I want to register, them in the Sendinblue and ask them to send them the follow-up mail, right? So I would have to do that now. So for before doing it, I'll just give a minute break. I'll just wash my face and come back, and then I'll just go ahead and do it. So now the first thing is let's go ahead and start the opt-in page process. So as soon as somebody registered, I want them to, I will come to the WhatsApp part later. I'll just complete these stuff first. So I want them to go to Sendinblue. So for that, first I need to have my Sendinblue things ready. So I'm just going to create a list and then set up the automation, and then later, or I will just set up everything in first the email part, and then I'll do the automations, and link them up, right? So that is even a better way to do so. So first things first, so auto register on Zoom. For that, I have to make the Sendinblue things ready, right? Oh, not really Sendinblue things ready because I would have just the basic stuff. So I will do one thing. I will do all the automations later. Let me just complete the email part. So I'm going to Sendinblue. This is my Sendinblue account. So I'm going to go to templates. I'll first create all these mails as templates that I can easily use in my things, right? So I'll just say create. Okay, I will need the. I'll just say create my first template. This is a brand new account, by the way. This has not got, this has not sent any mails and stuff. So I will just say template name. Template name first would be free registration. Registration mail one. Okay, so before that, I have to first find out how many mails I'm going to send. I have some, again, basic templates ready here, right? So let this be there. Okay, this is the subject line. This, leave this part. Why is it a little bit messed up? Because I thought I'll do two of them, but because of the time constraint, I'm just doing one copy. So now congrats, this is this, this is this. Okay, I've got everything else here. Now okay, so I'm going to send two mails. That is what to say. Congratulations. Let me come back to this. Okay, so I will free registration #1. So second one would be free registration #2. That will be basically, I'm setting up again a very simple one because I want to, time constraint, everything is there. So I'm just making it simple. I will add a lot more things later. When you are experiencing the funnel, you might have a lot more things. Okay. Let me just delete this guy and try to, I'm going to add personalization at the first name and just say insert. Okay, so their first name and then congrats, your seat is booked and stuff, right? So now this is the preview text. What I'm going to do here is I generally write the preview text as a first 1 or 2 lines of the mail itself. I'm just coming back to this. This is my preview text. Now I have from email, that is my name, From name is also set up. I have already linked my digitalgrowthfunnels.com email ID, the what to say, that particular thing. So I will just say layout. No, I don't need any layout. I just go ahead and say, okay, I'll just pick up some register for event. I don't know. I delete everything, but still I select layout. It doesn't make sense, but still. Anyway, so what's new? Okay, let me just delete. All I do is delete, 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 delete. You might be thinking, why is this guy deleting so much? I'm just like that, can't help it. So let me just go ahead and go here and just say, hey, okay, just say hi. And just these text, I'll put it in the first block, right? So I'll just say, and their name. So I'll just go here and add press attribute as first name and then say insert. Right? Hi, first name, congratulations, I am very excited to have you into the workshop. Sorry. And then this, I want to just highlight the date and time, and so I'm just making them bold, right? So I have it here. Now what I'm going to do next is I am going to add those steps, right? First is join the WhatsApp group in case any reply, upgrade to VIP account if they have not. This is for free, right? So I am going to kind of complete the mail here, right? So I'm going to, okay, let me just do one thing. I will just take these two steps because I will have to add a button, right? So I will just say yes. First step is join the WhatsApp group. So I'll just make it bold. WhatsApp A has to be caps, correct? Now here I'm gonna bring that after this and just change the color to blue. Sorry, green. WhatsApp is green, not blue. And change the text to join WhatsApp group, right? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to link it. The link would be again coming back to resources, which is a free group. This one, copy the link, come back to this, paste it. WhatsApp group, insert, and second would be the step 2 onwards. What am I going to do here? Okay, upgrade to VIP ticket. So I can ask people that, hey, why don't you upgrade to my VIP ticket? I've got a wonderful opportunity. Now you are seeing that because you are a VIP member, right? So those who got updated, they get to learn a lot of things and see how badly I execute sometimes and how I'll be very sleepy-eyed and still build things. I want to make a copy of it. So I just go ahead and duplicate block and I drag that block. Oh man, I drag that block here. So I will say, I will just keep the grab the VIP ticket just for, right? So this is what it is. Now the link, I'll just remove link. I will add a link. I will add the upsell link. That would be just fb./ FBF VIP, right? So I would want people, I don't want them to go back to, okay, let them go back if they have missed or something. Let them take up and kind of do that. So I would want them to still come here itself, copy, and take this link, VIP access, insert. I'm going to change the color to blue because it's a VIP access. So rest of the steps would be much simpler. Make sure that you register Zoom and share this with your friend. Okay, thanks, and all of the stuff. So C, Control C, not C, exactly. So then the step 3 is, again, I have to make it bold. Step 4, no, step 4, make it bold. So I've got these things ready. Now share it with your friend. So I'll have to just share the link. Link HTTPS share the link, right? So somebody can copy and share it. Again, I'm not very sure how much people will share it. Just say thanks, and okay, so I've got this thing ready now, and growth funnels and everything. Okay, I just want to edit this to funnel club because earlier it was growth funnels, funnel club. Rest everything remains same. View in browser sent by. Okay, I just want to delete this block. Okay, this is a free account, so they're not gonna allow me. Okay. Once again, I just want to highlight the date. So I'm gonna highlight it. So, okay, I'm gonna continue. And save and activate. So my mail is up, and you can see the whole thing here, right? And save and activate is done. So I'm going to do save and quit, right? So this is only one time activities. From second time, it will be much easier for you. So now you got one mail. I want to do the second mail. Just say duplicate, say yes. And then you have one inactive. If you go here, you'll have the inactive mail. Just go to it. Just go to setup and just change it to 2. Second would be more of like you're kind of what to say, reminding them. So the second mail would be, okay, there are certain changes that I want to do. Okay, let me just, this is somebody else's mail. I've just kind of taken it to put it into this because, okay, your VIP ticket is waiting. So I will just, do you want to participate? Please business for your growth. Okay, now I'm going to use this, but this part is mine. I've taken it from somebody else. So I just give it, I will just copy it till here. I'm going to edit it on my own other things. So I'll just keep this here and then just go to next steps and just edit this content. Okay, now I will not be needing them to join the WhatsApp group, so I'm deleting that. I want them to take the VIP ticket, so I will just keep that as it is. Here I'm going to kind of add all the content because I will just remove this and say we add all these things. Participate in learning traffic's business growth. This is what I want to give. This is not what I am having to give, so I will just delete this part. We do not want to talk about this group. This is what my value props are. So you'll be able to okay, grow your business. This is the video that you're gonna get, and this I want it in a list format. Okay, so this is, I don't want this, so I just have it. Join the VIP. Grab the V ticket and get exclusive access to access and benefits like, so these are the things I'm going to tell, and I'm going to just say grab the access and just I'll see you on this time, and then just go ahead and with your friend. See you on this thing. At the workshop, just like that. Okay, funnel club and everything is okay. Now my second mail is also done. I generally take up a lot of time, put that in what to say the Word doc, get it proofread and all of those stuff. Now I'm just doing a test run, so I'm kind of what to say doing it real quick. Okay, it's already 2 hours, so I will just keep this thing at the moment. If they have registered anyway, they're going to get a WhatsApp message. So I'm just showing you one what to say the email thing. Rest of it I can do it tomorrow as well, because I need some more emails that I will have to draft it for this particular purpose. So let me just go back and as soon as say somebody, let me just see here, come back to funnel steps. Okay, these two things are done. Follow up. This is one confirmation email that we need to send. That anyway, I think Zoom will send it over, and even the Razorpay will send it. So I'll just send a WhatsApp message to them. That's the best way to do so. So because I have end up entire things ready, WhatsApp is something that I need to make it ready now. So, and also the automation part. So for the we are using two automation tools today, because one has a WhatsApp feature. I mean that access. Other one does not have it, but they have a wonderful, they have a lot of tasks which is pending from my side. So I mean, I have a lot of tasks that I've not consumed, so I will use that. So I'll just go to this tool called Integrately. If you guys need Integrately, you want to create and automate something, I will try to put up a link, maybe it's somewhere in the bottom or somewhere in this video. You can go there and get access to all those tools that are exclusive, discounts. And Integrately, if you sign up with my link, you'll get it. You can use that tool for free. You get up to 500 tasks per month for free. If you just sign up, you get 100 tasks or something, 100 or 200 tasks, something around that, you'll get it. Now I want to do Zoom with respect to this thing. So I have one here where when the response is created in Google Forms, I generally do it on Zoom, but now I have to do it on the swipe pages. So if somebody registers to swipe pages, then I want them to register in the Zoom, right? Now, before that, for them to register in the Zoom, I have to make the event in the Zoom. So I'll just go back to Zoom. I just say Zoom. Okay. So I just say schedule a meeting. I want to schedule it for, say, suppose Facebook fundamentals workshop on which date I want it on, 21st. (11 a.m.) It will be 2 hours duration. Kolkata, recurring meeting, no registration required. I'll remove it as a one not required. Okay, not required. I would want to just automatically record the meeting. Okay, good to go. Right, so I've got all these things ready. Now what I want to do, I want to go to my this guy, which is the Integrately, and then I go ahead and say when response added in swipe pages, create an event or create registrant in Zoom, right? So I want that to happen. So I'll just say registrant in Zoom. I will just go to connect swipe pages with Integrately. I have sent a test record after sending it. Okay, I will have to add a webhook URL. So if I go to swipe pages and if you go to the integrations, then you have webhooks. Click on webhooks. Give a name for your webhook. I would say for Zoom, I'm using it. So I'm to Zoom. URL is this, and just say continue. HTTP method. I will just refer back to these guys. Okay, I just a second. Webhook, enter name of webhook. Okay, select method as post. So this is, I keep forgetting this. HTTP adders. Okay, I don't need Namecheap anymore, so I just can delete this. Click on continue and server integrity. Okay, just say continue. I'm really sorry because this is what happened. I have to just check which page I'm using. I just go to Funnel Club. I go to the fundamentals workshop and I go to integrations and I go to this and I add the link, add the webhook name, Zoom, continue, post. Okay, cool. So I've got first name, last name, email, phone, continue. Additional values, no. Congratulations, your webhook has been successfully set up. Wonderful. So I've set up here. I'll come back to Integrately. I have sent a test record after test connection. Oh, no, I have not sent a test record. So I will have to send a test record. I just go here. I'll click on the register for free. Test L test. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. No, 1 minute. 807 303 2101. NGGHUSHANA.PROF gmail.com. This is where I wanted to get registered. So I just say book my spot. Okay, cool. So I've got it here. I have done a test as well, test connection. Now I got it. Say Zoom Naga. This is my Zoom account. It's already connected. Webinar plan is missing. I will just go ahead and say map feed. No. Create a distance in webinar. So I'll just skip wizard. Here I would just go here. I will try to edit this thing. Okay, it is set for webinar registration, but the problem here is that I would be doing a meeting. I'm not doing a webinar. So I'll just say modify conditions. Here I would go ahead and say edit. Then I would say instead of create a meeting, create a webinar, create meeting registrant. I have to select this. When the form is submitted, meeting ID, I will have to select meeting ID, which is, oh my God, there are so many things. Let me search for Facebook fundamentals workshop. So this is where I want people to register, and email would be their email. First name would be their first name. Last name would be their last name. Address, I don't know. State, phone would be their phone. Industry, I don't know. Test. Zoom are enabled for this meeting. Oh, okay. This is something from here. I'll just go and edit it. So I'll just say registration required and then just say save. Go back, test again. Test again, refresh fields, test again. Not been enabled still. Okay. Oh, okay. Registration. No, this is authentication. Okay. Now let me just refresh the page. Let me test it again. Host cannot register. Okay. This is my problem. Okay. Let me just go back. Not just one, multiple problems. Oh my God. Okay. I just go back here and I click on register. And I say test, LL test. Okay, here my number doesn't matter. 1 2 3 4, whatever that is. GVHUSHANA or PROF. At no. PH1898 at gmail.com. So I've got another one. I just say book the test. So I have registered now. I will just say refresh data. I've got my other data ready. So now I will say, now it got, I'll say test, press successful, go live. Simple. This is how you can actually register the people automatically. Let's click on activate. Awesome. Right, so this is how you can make your automations ready. So I've got my automation ready, so as soon as they register and swipe pages, they're going to get to the thing. So now I have to go back to my send and do and make those email automation ready. So before that, I have to go to contacts and then create the list and then use the list to make the automation and then set up the mails. So quickly gonna get into it. Oh my god, I'm still too late. Okay, go to list. And let me see. Okay, I have my first folder. I'll say funnel club. Folder updated successfully. Now I'm going to add a new list. Free reg FBF workshop. Right. So this is my empty list. Now I've got my list ready. So what I'm going to do here is that go to automation, create a workflow. There can be a lot of things that are possible with this, but I'm going to be doing a few things considering multiple stuff. I'm just going to create a custom workflow, name it as free reg. People can enter it multiple times. That's not a problem. Okay, this is the starting point. It asks you where exactly should I start. That's the question it is asking me. So I will just say that you start whenever people got added to this list, right? So I'm just clicking yes. Email activity, sorry, contact details. Contacts is added. A contact is added to a list. This is where which list? It's a free registration workshop list. So whenever the free registration workshop list is added, then I will have to send them a mail. Which one? I'm going to send them a free registration one mail and say I want to send it in. No, I don't want to do anything. I'm just going to wait for some time. I'll just say wait for a delay and then say 2 hours and then again send them the same mail in case they have missed, right? I can have a branch if they have opened, if they have not opened. Let me show you guys that as well. So I'm just going to say if else condition, say email marketing activity. Okay, the campaign has not yet set up, so it's let me just say go back. Okay, so for that it has to at least have let me just go, because there is this thing does not have any active campaign. That's why it's showing like that. So I can make it once I have an active campaign, that if the mail has sent, if the mail has not sent, do this, do that, and all this stuff, right? So let me do one thing. I will not set up the list at the moment. I'll just say wait for an hour. I will send the same mail again, registration 1, and then after wait for some more time, say another, say 3 hours or something, and then I'm just making a very, very blunt, what to say, kind of automation. It could be even better. It could be much, much better. I'm just making a very test active flow, I would say. I just make this active. So my email marketing side, one part is complete. Actually, pretty much most of the things are complete. And for today's demo, because I'm sitting long and doing it, I generally take a break, go here and there and stuff, right? So I'm just doing it in one shot. That's a good thing about it. Okay, what is this? Okay, I'm just opened up the Webflow. So I have my other thing ready. Now what I'm going to do is same thing. I'm just going to clone this. And instead of Zoom, I'm going to edit this guy, say modifying conditions and actions, and say delete one action. I'll just say add another app. See, you could actually make both the things happen. Because I'm on a free version of this tool, it will not allow me to add multiple what to say uh, tools together. Otherwise we could do that, not to worry. Add existing contact to a list. No, no, no. Create contact. I'll just say create contact, because when I'm creating the contact, it will ask me which list to add up, right? So create contact and send in blue. Add a connection. Okay, I will have to add a connection. I don't have the connection ready. So now they have an option to available in the advanced section. I have to add the API key. For that, I have to go to send in blue. So I go to send in blue and I go to the send SMTP and API, and then I go to my, here is my API key. So I'm gonna copy that. I'll create a new API key. I'm gonna name it as integrately and say generate. So I've got my API key. I'm copying that API key and I'm coming back to my integrately and pasting that API key and say continue. Authentication successful. I don't want to save it. It says growth funnel, so I'm just saying continue, right? So I've got my LinkedIn, not LinkedIn, send in blue ready, right? So it will ask me for the fields to match. So I'm going to say last name from the submitted form. Okay, 1 minute. Add connection, swipe pages. Why is it so? I have already. Okay, not a problem. I will just add another webhook. It doesn't take much time. I just go to the integrations. I just go to webhooks. Um, okay, I've got one webhook ready. I will add another webhook. Name it as send in blue. Just a second. Integrations. Yes, they do not have it. You might be asking, what did I check? I just checked if they have a send in blue direct transmission, which will be much easier, but they don't. That's okay. Send in blue and URL of the webhook. Confirm. Post. Confirm. Last name, first name, email, phone. Confirm. No. Congratulations, your webhook got added. So I have two webhooks. Now I'm gonna say I have to test another time. That is okay. Nag. I can test with my email ID now because the proper one, because I want the contact to get added. Say 0730322101 and NEGA at ushmail.prof@gmail.com. Right, and just say book my spot. And here I'm gonna say test connection. Boom, it got my details. It says created, and then I just have to map the values. This is last name, this is my first name. SMS means basically they're asking for the phone number. So email is email. Here is free register workshop. That is actually which I did in my send in blue. And I'm gonna say test. Send in blue, invalid phone number. Oh, okay. They want me to add a country code as well. Okay, not an issue. I'm not gonna send them the, because they're just an email campaign. I don't need them to save the thing, so that's okay. So I'm just waiting for them to complete the fundamentals work, which is okay. Contact already exists because that's my mail ID. Definitely, it will be there. So all I'm going to do is go to contacts. This is what happens, guys. This is the only and only contact they have. I'm going to do and delete permanently. Yes, I want to delete. Otherwise, these guys will trouble me. Delete. Okay. Finally, it got deleted. Come back. Test. Successful. Finally. Here I'm going to delete the Zoom guy. Yes, delete. So test and go live. Test and activate. Contact already exists. Simple task. Go here. Refresh the screen. Click here. Say action. Delete permanently. Yes, delete. Wonderful. Come back here and say test and activate. Awesome. You're automated the process. So in the funnel, if I come back, this part is done. This part is also done. Now this part is something I'm going to skip for now for this video, because when they purchase anyway, they're going to get the message and everything. Something that we are left with is WhatsApp messaging. Okay, that is something that I need to do it. Let me see if my camera, oh my God, camera got tied. So what I would do is I will probably do that part tomorrow in the morning and show it to you guys so that my camera is there. Or let me just complete that now. Why to kind of leave it for tomorrow? For this activity to happen, you guys need something called as Public Connect. So I just go to Public Connect, set up the workflow and everything. I'll say workflow is WhatsApp message. There has been a lot of change with respect to the tool that I've been using. So you might, see if it might not work as well, because it's been a little long time I've been trying this, because there was some issue with the software on the other side. So these things were not really, good with the software, not the Pabbly Connect, but the other software that I'm using it for the WhatsApp. I'm using something called WA bot. So I have not connected. Let me just say I'll get my QR code and I will connect my WhatsApp. I will just refresh my screen and see if I've logged out. I'm just signing in. Okay. Okay, so it got paired. If I go to my dashboard. Okay, cool. So no chats are there. I have total one instance that I've create instances. No. WhatsApp instances. So I have instance ready, which is this QR code, webhooks, all of that is there. So if I go to API keys, I'm going to get all these API keys. Now what I'm going to do is, I think it's connected. Probably is taking a bit of time. Let me just refresh the screen. Okay, so my this part is not complete at the moment. I want to send a message to them. So this one, send in blue part is complete. This I need it. This I need it. This something I don't uh, need it. Something I don't need it. Let this be there. I want it. I want the link. I don't want this. So I'll just go back to Pabbly and create a workflow and say WhatsApp. I'll just say free registration. I'll create, choose a trigger, say swipe pages, select an event, form submission. Okay, they have the same process. The name field, post HTTP method. Can I do the same thing with these guys as well? Webhook, say WhatsApp message, continue, post, last name, first name, phone number, email, continue, finish. Done. So my work from swipe pages is partly completed because I want to go with this again and submit an inquiry. So fb.funclub.com and then just register. Here email does not matter. You're using WhatsApp, so WhatsApp matters. Nag, but this matters a lot, so I have to make sure I give the proper one. 91 807 303 2101. One number. Sample at gmail.com. Let me see if this is okay. It's waiting for capture, so I'm just gonna say book my spot, and it got captured. So my data got captured here. What I'm gonna do here is go to the action, select WA API. So this is the tool that actually works. So I will have to say send a text message, right? So this will send a WhatsApp message to the people. So I will just say send a text message. I'll say connect. I have an existing connect. I've just connected my WhatsApp bot to it. How do you connect it? Very simple process. They give you all the things. You can just go ahead and kind of see it. Now I will just see, okay, it's connected. Now I want to select the WhatsApp number from here. This is where I want to select the WhatsApp number. Now once a WhatsApp number is selected, hey, first name, and then say thanks for registering. I'm just gonna send them the same stuff which I had sent to these folks, right? So I'm going to send them the same stuff. So go to the Pabbly, then just say this. Congratulations, I'm excited to have you on Tuesday, blah, 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 workshop. So let's get learning mode right away. Till then, make sure you follow these steps. So, right, step one, join the WhatsApp group link that I have to give them. So I will just go here, resources, free WhatsApp group, copy, public connect, link. Any issue, reply to this number. All right. Step two, upgrade to your VIP ticket. That is again, I have to give them the number, the link. So VIP ticket is this. So I will just say, where is my Pabbly VIP ticket link? Next, step 3, make sure you're registered for the Zoom and calendar. Step 4, share this workshop with your friend, which is just this. Okay. I see you on Tuesday, XXXY, and then just say thanks. And then I will just use my name and just say sales funnel practitioner. So I've got my message ready. So I've got everything here. Sample response, send and test request. Let me see if it works. Status number not found in WhatsApp. Okay. Why is it saying so? 3032101, the number is correct. Okay. Let me see if the instance is on. It's paired. Okay, error 101. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me recapture my webhook response just to check if the enter number has to be on the other way around, which is 918073032101. Sample test. Book my spot. Recapture webhook. Oh man, I just have to do this again. Test 1, test 2. Now all these that automations will get triggered and it will start getting adding those nonsense things to my list. I'm just gonna delete them all and clear them up later. So sample at g.com, book my spot, and hoping that it will pick up. Yes, it did. So let me just try now and see if it works. Send and test request. Yes, successfully queued, and I got a mail message as well. So I just want to fix my. Oh, wonderful! The message came out very nice. Hey, Tasman, congratulations! I'm excited to have you on this. Okay, but the alignment. Okay, for those who could not see the thing, you can see here the message is here. Okay, so the problem is here. So I want to fix that. I just go ahead and say add an action, and I will just make it uh to filter and just say if the number, then do what? I want to edit that field, right? I just delete this step. Okay, there is a way to do it. Where is that thing? Delay sheets. No, 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 no. Data formatter. Okay, this does not format. Mobile number formatter. Number formatter. This is what I wanted. So I'll just go here. Format number, format a phone number in a new style. Connect. Number to map the data. I will do one thing. I will get a normal number and then I will do the recapture so that it will work properly. Now I'll just go ahead and do it. Just say register for free and just say S 807 303 2101 email s@s.c. Book my spot. You might be thinking how many times this guy will do it. Right, I keep doing it till I'm fixing the issue. So you can see my thing is here. I've got number formatter by Pabli and connected. I've got my, I will just remove it again. I'll connect it again. Now you can see the latest data got updated. Now international, national. No, 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 no. Just say to format 91 national, send and test request. The result is this. Now I want to add the country result. So this is how I want it. So I'll say this. No, 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 no. So this is the problem. So I'll just have to figure out a way from this to kind of get this issue resolved. Format number to new style, math operation, spreadsheet, counter, use unit conversion. No, format number. I'll just say connect and then say number, then comma space. No, this is not what I want. Uh, we're gonna do a math operation. Guys, what would get this number? Add. Okay, what am I gonna add? Add what? Okay, okay. So they want enter multiple numbers with comma separated like this. So I'm gonna write 10 digits of zeros, 9 1. So it will become 9 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So now when I send and test request, it will become 91807XYZ. I'm going to do that Jugaad work. So that is why I am I'm gonna send a test request. and I got my second message as well. So workflow is ready. Now this is ready. I just go to dashboard. My workflow is set up. Now I want to just duplicate this. I want to duplicate this where I don't want it to from swipe pages. Okay, I'll just make a new one. Never mind. Make it from Razorpay, right? So I just want them to say congratulations, your payment has been received and XYZ stuff, right? So because people want to see, so I'm gonna say Razorpay and trigger payment captured. And then as soon as the payment captured, I have to go and create a webhook there. So I just say go to Razorpay and I go to settings and I go to their API webhooks, create a new webhook. URL is recommended. I'm gonna go copy this URL, go to Razorpay and then do what? Set up webhook URL, payment captured is something that I need to type. Okay, this is done. This is something that I need to type. Payment captured. I've got my payment captured. So I will say create a webhook. Webhook is saved successfully. Then I have to make a transaction. Now what I will do is I will just go to Razorpay and I will make this into a test mode so that I can make a transaction. Right. So now I'm into test mode. So I'll go to payment pages. Oh, man. Okay. I will go to the link from the page itself. So I'll go to VIP ticket page. I'm in VIP ticket page now. And say Ocean now. Email is NAGA, which was NA, PROF at gmail.com. 807 303 2101. I made a mistake. 807 303 2101. So I'll say pay 199. Debit card. Verify. Okay. Skip saved cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let me come back. Go to UPI and say show QR code. I think it should work because it was in a test mode. Let me just go to PhonePe, check it. Okay, in reality, it is asking for the money. I'm just gonna make the payment. Okay, it is successful. Okay, it got successful. Let me see whether it will redirect me to proper page or not. Okay, it redirected me to the congratulations page. Oh, okay, there was some issue with the congratulations page. It's not loading proper. So you have to go and fix it later. So I'll just make it into the live mode. Meanwhile, hope Pabli has connected. Cool, Pabli got connected and it took my 200 rupees. It will anyway put it back. I'll refund it later. So now what I need to do is I need to go to my number formatter, select format number, connect. number. Razorpay would have got the number in this terms, and now I have to just, oh man, okay, wait. Phone number, connect. Razorpay would have got my number in this format. I need to add a, I need to make it into this 91 country code test. I've got it now like this, which is not good. So I wanted to just code it like this. And I've got it 0. Why 0? Okay. Okay, this is the best thing to do. Instead of wasting time in this, let me go to the number and then say event, math operation, connect. It's better to do our old stuff than working around new stuff. So I just do this and say map instead of the first name, and here that's gonna go there and say comma 91 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Add and test response. Cool, I got my number. Save. Check successfully. WA API. Select an event. Send a text message. Connect. WA bot. Number. Result. Message. This is auto send, right? Hey, and then their name. See you guys here. So captured. Thanks for signing up. Thanks for signing up. Okay, I'll just say congratulations for joining, for signing up as a VIP member. Join the WhatsApp group to join the WhatsApp VIP WhatsApp group now. VIP WhatsApp group now. And then say the links. Oh, we have to also tell people to message, reply to this message if to make all the links active. All the other perks are on your way. Regards. Nash. Okay. So I'll just copy this link and I'll say test request and let's see if this works. So I've done. I've got a message saying that now Ghoshna, congratulations signing over the member, join the VIP WhatsApp group now. All the perks are on your way. Good. So I've got this thing ready. Now I'll save this. Data saved successfully. I just go to dashboard. So I've got my Razorpay and free registration done. I just want to go to Razorpay free registration and then just edit this part where I have written and I just say we just make this change and say it as save and active. Right. So all these things are done. Now what I need to do is go to dashboard and all these things are completed. Cool. So if I come back to my thing, so this ad is done. We have created the send in blue things that is also completed. We did the Zoom registration. We did the WhatsApp messaging. We did the OTO page. We did this thing we skipped. We did this plus WhatsApp messaging, and we did thank you page. We did a WhatsApp group sending as well. So this is how I built the entire funnel. This is just some more things are there, just maybe building this or writing some more emails as nurturing part, right? And this a downsell option, I could do a lot more. Just that I'm at the moment very sleepy and I think this is sufficient for now. Even the pages were very smaller, otherwise the pages would go even longer, and this was something new I was testing, so it took us some more time. But yeah, it was good, wonderful. I'm really happy that you are still here watching this video, and I'm very grateful for it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in some other learning tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.